I'm working on a small ACEO card. You can find these cards on Horner Pocket Art on Etsy. That's my Etsy store, and I've been posting one card each day. Hopefully I'll just continue to post these. They're all going to be handmade watercolors. They're not prints, they're actual watercolors. But the size is 2.5 by 3.5. So go into my store and take a look at some of the cards. Some of them are abstract, some of them are landscapes. I may even some florals. I may put on some different things. You'll be surprised at some of the things that I'll put into the store. Hopefully you'll have something that you can collect. Maybe you'll be able to collect the landscape paintings. It'll make a nice collection for you. So this is what I'm doing here. I just wanted you to take a quick look at the cards. I have them taped down to a board. Then at the end, I take the tape off to reveal a nice border. These just happen to be on a nice thick piece of board here. Will make a nice card for purchase.